This is a teardown of an Adata branded SSD model ASU630SS-240GQ. It's a 240 gigabyte SATA SSD, and it's clipped together. I did take this apart before recording just because I knew it was going to take a while. But there's one hidden clip in the middle, which I broke the tab for. If for some reason you're taking this apart to fix it or whatever, you don't want to break that tab, there's an opening to reach it, so you'd have to use like a heat gun to soften the adhesive on this label so you can remove it cleanly, or basically you could feel around and there's a spot right here where you can poke a hole through and release that clip without damaging it. And the drive itself is just resting here. There's two pins that it sits on, and some of the housing kind of helps align it as well. It is marked with what it is as well. And here's the flash chips. Considering there's two of them, I would assume they're around 120 gigabytes each. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to focus. Let's try to zoom in a little more. Various passives on the board, power regulation. And then the bottom side is a Realtek base controller, RTS5732DLQ, and then just more power delivery stuff. Fortunately, this drive is password protected and I wasn't able to clear it, so it's going to get it recycled, but at least now you know what it looks like on the inside.